All right. Now, work on this first. Once you have finished this one in blue, then start working on this side. Now remember, the sign has to come before it, so that negative belongs to that green side. Okay, so let's start with the blue one. The 4 and the 2x, we multiply that. What do we get? 8x. Because 4 times 2 is 8, and that x is coming with that 2. So they combine there. Now 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, because a negative times a positive is a negative. Now this green side, some of you are getting confused because you can't see a number, you're just seeing a negative sign. If you don't see any number with that negative, assume a 1 there. It's the same thing. So negative 1 times 6x is negative 6x. Then negative 1 times negative 1, negatives give us positive. So we've got positive 1. So that's what we've got for this side, and that's what we've got for the blue side. Okay? Now, from here, right, you need to collect like terms. So we take this negative 6x, anything with the x involved, we collect them and we put them together. Anything here with, let me use another color, a constants here, the negative 12 will combine with the positive 1. Now, let me rewrite it so we can get them all together. So all the reds, I'm going to put them together. 8x minus 6x minus 12 plus 1. Then from there, you can see we can combine these. I've just made it simpler, and that one. 8x minus 6x is the easy one. What's that? 2x. Now, the negative 12 plus 1 is where I feel like some of you don't really remember your number line. Now remember, you're in grade 9, you'll be allowed a calculator. So if you're not sure, use your calculator. If you don't have the calculator, then just remember your number line. If I've got negative 12, and we're working, let me do it sideways this time. So we've got negative 12. If we have 0 there, negative 1, negative, the positives are on this side, right? Positive 1, and they keep going. Oops. Okay, if I draw my number line, I've got 0 on this side, my positive 1, positive 2, and so on. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, what is my equation saying? It's negative 12 plus 1. Can you see that? Negative 12 plus 1. So I'm at negative 12 right now. So you are at negative 12 currently, and you are adding 1. So I just add 1 because I'm going towards the positive side. If you are subtracting, you'd be going towards the negative side. So my answer actually is negative 11. So 2x minus 11. And that's your final answer.